Right, ladies and gents, you're about to see Cerberus. Hey man, get a grip. You're about to see Cerberus go airborne. Ready? You ready, Cerb? Come on, let's get a shake. Let's get a ready shake. Let's get a ready shake. You good? About to go airborne. Oh, that made me a little dizzy. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Ready to go airborne again? Let's do it. That boy is not letting go. All right, we're gonna go straight up this time. Ready? That boy not playing, bro. All right, one more time. We're gonna go airborne. Ready? Spin airborne. Got him. Yeah, but he's right back at it.